Is my lead gen secret legit? Short answer, yes. But the proof is in these videos that I've been putting out. I'm doing a series on my lead gen secret that shows you how to take affiliate offers, place them in an email, send them out to leads that you receive every single day, and earn commissions. Now, this is a sprint or a marathon, not a sprint. So you got to keep that in mind. This is a method that you need to be persistent and consistent. You have to build those leads, and eventually, if you're not making sales right away, they will start to trickle in. The longer you do this, the longer you stay in the game, doing this each and every day, again, only 10 minutes, the leads will start, or the commissions will start trickling in. All right? And this, my friends, is my lead gen secret. This is the emailing platform that I use. This is the emailing platform that I show you how to use. And that's what I'm going to do in this video as I continue on with my series. Guys, welcome in and thank you for being here. This is day 32. I've busted a whole month worth of videos for you guys to follow along. I hope you're getting something out of this. Even more, I hope that you are seeing commissions come in, at least a couple. In the beginning, it took me probably 45 days, which reminds me is that I fact-checked myself because in video 31, the one just prior to this, I said that I'd gotten started in August. That, my friends, was false. That was false. It was actually May. So if you look through, like, these are all my leads, and I just scrolled all the way down. I'm like, how long? I'm like, I don't think it was August. Maybe it was July. And I kept going, and I saw June, and then here's May. And May 15th is when I started. So I've got 4 months in this. 4 months in this, and I have there, 17,800 leads that I will be sending an email to today. And yeah, and that's still a small number. I know people that are in the hundreds of thousands. Talked to a guy that was up to about 185,000. And there's a way to scale this up. There's 5 levels to this. And if you want to know more, watch day 1 revised, the revised video that I have. Start there, watch that. That video will help you get started, and it'll explain more on how earning the commissions and everything, and how to level up my lead gen secret to get the most out of it. Okay, because you can have multiple accounts, so it will cost you more than $1 to do that, but you can do this every day for just $1, and that's what I've been doing for the most part. I do have a second account. I haven't scaled it up more than that yet. I'm just taking it slow, and no real huge rush for me, I suppose. When I'm ready to make that next leap, I have every intention of getting this to 5 accounts. Believe it or not, there are others out there that are doing this with 20, 25 accounts, which is just mind-blowing. So you can only imagine what they've got coming in on that. So anyway, this is it. This is the mailing system. So guys, those of you who have been following along, we're going to continue with inside Digistore. We are doing the Perpetual Income 365, which is it's email marketing. If you log into Digistore and then you click on digital products, it'll pull all these different niches out that you can use. Just click on e-marketing, scroll down just a smidge, and right there it is. And this is where we will be getting our affiliate links that we'll place in our emails. I did say yesterday, hitting about the 5-minute mark, I did say I was going to do a quiet run, like a speed run or something. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try this out, guys. Just follow along. If you're new here, watch how I do this, and then you can start back on day 1, get yourself started. I've got a link in the description that'll take you to my lead gen secret. You can use that. And there are Google Docs also in the description that have emails in them, and you can use the emails. You can use the corresponding affiliate offers, and then you can use those emails to place in there. So with that, I'm going to get started. So this will be like a day. This is what Preston does. If I wasn't making a video and I just sat down at the computer, this is how I would go about doing it. So I'm going to use my PostScript, and I'm going to plug in a couple images on there. Just keep in mind, you don't have to use images. I didn't for the longest time. I just recently started doing that, but you'll see what I do, and we'll at least know how to do that if you wanted to take the next step. But you can just keep it simple and do the simple stuff. A lot of this is really just copy and pasting, just going back and forth from tab to tab. So without further ado, mi compadres, I'm going to get crack-a-lacking on this. All right, here we go. This is, I may or may not talk a little bit through this, but I'm going to try and stay focused. Banners, where's my emails? Went too far. All right, email 2. Just copy that. Let me something real. All right, sorry I had to pause it there. I had a little flub up there I had to take care of, but it's all good. Okay, and then you'll go to your Google Docs, get that set up. You'll paste that in your Google Docs, and then you can come over to here. Grab that. I don't know if I can do a quiet run, guys. It's too quiet. I feel like I have to say words. It's underlined and it wasn't supposed to be. Okay, so there's that. And I will change this. I'll put my name in there. So that's done. And then head over to the Digistore, grab the link, copy that, hit confirm, jump back over. Make that bold. Alright, click insert the link. Paste the link in there, hit apply. Same thing here. Just apply. One more here. Hit bold. You don't have to make it bold. As you do this, you'll tweak things to your own personal way that you'll like it. And then, because MLGS does not like emojis, I will delete that. Then I'll come down here because then it's time for the PS. And I think I'm going to, let's see. Want to feel more alive at 45, 55, or even 65. Regain your active lifestyle right here. Alright. And I'm just going to highlight this. And of course I will make it bold. And then I'm going to go back to the Digistore. And I believe it was health and fitness. I'm pretty sure. Oh, right there it was. Join Eternal. Copy promo link. Alright, copied. Head back over. Right click, insert link. Paste, apply. Alright, that's done. Just grab the subject line. Copy. Head over to the mailing system. Drop that sucker in. Head back over. Copy that. Back over, scroll down, hit that back arrow. Control V. and then resize. You don't have to resize. Again, it's just an option, but I am told anywhere between like 12 and 16 or 12 and 18 or something tends to be a more common text size. Alright, I'm going to hit perfect timing. Get that off there. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to put in an image. I'll explain that later. Let's head down here. Click on that, get link. Head back over. Go to image. Put the URL in. Oh, let me delete that. I forgot to resize it. You want to make sure you put a size in. There. That's a lot better. Let's see, let's go back. We'll grab this. Alright, one last thing. This is my Facebook group, guys. You can feel free to join. There is a link in the description for that. But I'm heading to right here. I'm just going to copy that. Click on that. Click on the link here. Drop in the URL. And that's in there. And then this is my YouTube channel, and in there is where the series that we're working on is right here, Affiliate Marketing Strategy No One's Talking About. And then I also have another series, but I will get to that in a moment. Oop. Sorry to make that go blank on you. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. Paste that in there. Alright, and then I'm going to preview it. I want to make sure everything works. This takes me to the landing page. Alright. Click here. And when you go to, fumbling over my words. When this landing page is brought up and you bring your arrow up here to click out, that's why it jumps out and says wait. So it's just part of the process, and then it just tells you if you leave this page, you forfeit opportunity to enjoy an extra 100, 200, and even eventually thousands to be added. It's just an alert to keep you from, going away too soon or whatever. Continue watching the video, read the text version. So that's what that is, if you're just wondering what that was that popped up. All right. Just got one more time. See, as soon as I take my arrow out of there. All right, and then check the postscript. And there it is. Sweet. And then make sure my image links work. That one works. And looks like that one works. And then the last thing to do is to send that email. And that's it. All right, guys. Well, that's it. I tried to do a much quieter run on there, and as you can see, I'm like 18 minutes in. So I did pretty good. I'm trying to get these videos to be a little shorter, and just kind of get to the point so you guys can see how that's done. I've got this, 31 other videos prior to this that show you a lot of how to do exactly what I just did. So feel free to go through all those videos, or you don't have to go through them all. You don't have to. But if you want to get started, at least watch the first one. At least watch the day one revised and get yourself started. And then once you get this down and you feel like you want to scale up, then this has 5 levels to it, like I've told you, and so you can do that. And then, but if you really want to get your affiliate business going, then start on my other series, Real Talk, Let's Make Money Online, and it explains everything about Endless Income Academy. If you haven't heard about that, this is kind of what it is. This is where I went to my media storage here. These are contacts that I have received through using MLGS and using my affiliate link for Endless Income Academy. So when they click on it, the opt-in page will pop up. Give me a second and I will get over to there. All right, we switch this back. You will see this is the Endless Income Academy page. And so when you sign up and you first get into and get your and you log in, this is what you'll see. And there's a little welcome video. There's there's several things to go through. A lot of these are really short. Oh, that's the welcome. So then they kind of tells you about the building blocks. But the best thing to do, I mean, you want to go through and read all this stuff. You definitely do. There's a lot to it, but starting with video 9, start right there. That's a really good video, and then go back to video 1, and then work your way up. But this is an amazing platform, guys. I can't express that enough because it's a done-for-you system that, for any beginner that wants to get in this, there's live weekly meetings to answer questions and to help guide you through anything that you need help with. It was created by 2 7-figure earners, John Artsberger and JD Savage, and they do all the hard work. They've been through it. They were just like me and you, just a regular person just trying to make their way through life, a couple blue collar guys, and they got into the online space and figured out all the wrong ways and the hard ways of becoming successful at that. And now they're in a position where they're able to give back and try to make it easier for people like me and probably like you to not have to go through all those hard trials and errors that most of us go through. I'm so glad I came across those two and have been able to hop into Endless Income Academy. So there's a lot of done-for-you content in here. But watch those videos and see what you think, and at least check them out. Other than that, guys, yeah, if I don't stop yapping now, I'm going to be running over the time that I have been. So, I'm trying to think of anything else that I want to disclose. I already mentioned my Facebook group. Yeah, I appreciate it if you join my community. And if you got anything out of this, hit like, subscribe if you want to continue following. If not, this wasn't your cup of tea, no problem. Other than that, that's it. That's all I've got for you today, guys. So I'm just going to end it right there. See you in the next video.